Here I have Doogee X55, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, let's open a contacts list, then select the contact which you want to add photo, then tap on this pencil icon to edit it, then you tap on the camera icon to change its photo, then you have an option to take a photo or to choose one from a gallery. Let's open gallery and select photo. Next you have to adjust it like this, and tap on save, and that's it. Photo to contact edit. And that's it, thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.